Hi guys! In this video, I'm showing you how to contact Western Union customer support. The process is straightforward and effortless. Simply write in the Google search bar, Western Union, and tap on the first link. If I scroll down, here you can see the official website of Western Union, and on the second number you can see the option, Contact Us. You can contact with the Western Union by tapping on it, and another way is to tap on the official website of Western Union and scroll down to the bottom, and you can see the option Contact Us. Tap on it. Here you can see Contact Customer Care at this number. It's provided by Western Union, and I can contact with the Western Union by dialing this number through my mobile phone. But maybe you are using Western Union from different country, so there will be more options of contacting with Western Union, like live chat, through email, or through this number, because Western Union give limited access to each country. So it was the basic way by which you can contact Western Union customer support.